let's get started with our first outfit. So here we have a black tee from Atmosphere, a blue ribbed jeans from Only, a flannel top from Forever 21 and black heels from New Look, and it's pretty much basic stuff that we all have in our wardrobe. So I'm wearing a black tee and a blue ribbed jeans. I'm gonna use a hair tie to give a tucked in effect without actually tucking in the tee in my jean. So what we are gonna do is grab the back of the tee and take it all together and tie a knot around the extra edge, and then we're gonna put that knot inwards back into your tee so it's not showing, and then you arrange the edges around your tee so it all looks even and nice. So this gives you a really cool look without actually having to tuck in the tee, and it's really nice and sleek. And now you add a flannel shirt and you tie it around your waist to just give it an overall look so it doesn't look really simple. So you can take any colored flannel shirt and just tie it around your waist just to make your outfit stand out a bit more. Complete the overall look, I'm wearing pencil heels with the entire outfit and it just looks really classy. If you like, you can pair it with boots or sneakers, whatever you find comfortable. For my next outfit, I'm wearing a tee from Pull & Bear, a summer dress from H&M and sneakers from Levi's. So I'm going to put on a t-shirt over the top of my dress. You can do this with a summer dress, or if you have a body fitting dress, you can do this on that as well. Now I'm going to grab the front of my t-shirt and get it all together and tie a knot in the front and then tuck it inwards, and then you just adjust the t-shirt accordingly, make sure it's tucked in correctly. To complete the overall look, I'm wearing white sneakers. The overall look of the outfit is really comfortable and cute and cozy, and it's really easy to put together as well. For my next look, I'm wearing a slogan tee from PRIMARK, boots from River Island, boyfriend jeans from New Look, and a belt from local shop in Mumbai. So I'm wearing a slogan tee and a ripped boyfriend jeans. I'm not going to tuck in the t-shirt into my jeans. Instead, I'm going to use a hair tie and take the right side of my t-shirt and put it together and tie a knot. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the left side of my t-shirt and tie that into a knot as well using a hair tie. Now I'm going to tuck in both the knots that I have inwards into the t-shirt and arrange the entire t-shirt accordingly so it looks evenly tucked in without actually having to tuck it in. And to complete the overall look, I'm going to put on a pair of boots from River Island, and that just makes the really basic tee and jeans stand out a lot by simply adding boots. For my next outfit, I'm wearing a blue denim jacket from Forever 21, a black skinny jean from Only, white sneakers from Levi's, and a printed tee from Atmosphere. So I'm wearing the classic black skinny jeans and black top. This combination never fails. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to repeat the technique that we learned in outfit 1, and we're going to take that extra t-shirt and tie it into a knot in the back and tuck it inwards. And I'm going to wear a blue denim jacket on the top of my tee so it looks really good. And you can style the jacket the way you want. You can wear it over the tee, or you can just put it on your shoulders, or you can take one shoulder down just to give it a more stylish look. You can wear it the way you want. And if you have a white denim jacket, you can also pair that with the black jean and black top combination. It looks really amazing. Well, you can never really go wrong with black and white, so you can pair this with either white sneakers or black sneakers. It would look really amazing. And to complete the look, I'm going back to my blue denim jacket. I'm wearing that with white sneakers. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please do subscribe. Thank you so much.